Hello guys, so today we will talk about recombinant DNA, a topic from genetic engineering. So we will talk how recombinant DNA was made, specifically from bacteria and cell containing DNA with gene of interest. So before we start, make sure that you have knowledge about plasmid. When we say plasmid, this is circular DNA that contains inside the bacteria, while this lies are cell-containing DNA with gene of interest. So, uh, let's start the process of isolating the plasmid within the bacteria. So, this is the step 1. Then, after that, the plasmid will go outside the bacteria with this side. Then, after that, yung DNA that contains gene of interest is lalabas rin, and there will be separation between it and the bacteria. For example, ito yung gene na nagko-contain ng DNA, gene with the gene of interest. So, ang goal is dapat yung gene of interest from this DNA is masalpak dito sa plasmid. Para mangyari yon, gagamit yung bacteria ng cutting enzyme called restriction enzymes. Yung restriction enzymes, sila yung magkakat dito sa DNA, DNA with gene of interest para ipasalpak dito sa plasmid. But we will not further focus on that muna. So, when we say, part nito ni DNA containing gene of interest, si gene of interest, for example, ito, si gene of interest is co-combine with the plasmid. Itong si plasmid, gugupitin din siya ng restriction enzymes para makapasok tong si gene of interest. And after that, after na makatok na tong si plasmid, papasok na tong si gene of interest sa plasmid, and that will make like ganito. Kung mapapansin nyo, itong si gene of interest nakasalpak na siya kay plasmid. So, ang tawag doon, kapag nakasalpak na si gene of interest doon sa plasmid, tawag na dito sa DNA nito is recombinant DNA. Kasi nga, may combination na nangyari between DNA and the plasmid. Recombinant DNA na ang tawag dyan. Then, after that, yung plasmid na to, for example, ito na yung step. Babalik siya sa kay bacteria. So, for example, ito yung bacteria na naglabas ng plasmid. Ito yung bacteria na to, same lang din sa bacteria na to. So, for example, ito na yung plasmid. So, or recombinant DNA rather. After that, after niya makamake na recombinant DNA, babalik na to si plasmid kay bacteria. After nun, si bacteria na nagko-contain ng recombinant DNA is magre-replicate pa, will replicate to produce more bacteria containing that DNA more. So, that's all on how recombinant DNA was made.